Oh, look there. Oh, that is superb. That really is superb. Look at that. On there, custard. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are in Christmas mood, Thanksgiving mood, holiday mode, bread pudding mode. We are making dried cranberries into a bread pudding. What a fantastic dessert. Easy to do, old bread. Take a bowl, get your bread, chuck it in there. Not quite like that. Start breaking up your bread in there. Now, this is 2-day-old bread or 3-day-old bread. Supermarket stuff, actually. I always look for the reduced old stuff. Makes fantastic bread puddings. So just rip it up and chuck it in there. Crusts and all, we'll have the whole lot. And obviously it doesn't matter how you rip the bread up or how big it is. The bread is going to soak up the custard, so that's all you've got to think about, is the bread soaks up the custard mix. There we go, bread. How fabulous is that? Cranberries in there. One side. Bowl, eggs, sugar, salt. Always a little bit of salt in there, you know. The salt and the sugar ignites our taste buds. In there, vanilla. In there, a couple of cups of milk. In there, about a cup of cream. Now, if there's not going to be enough fluid, tip some more milk in. Right, mixed spice. This is English mixed spice. There's an optional on that if you want to use cinnamon, etc. It'll be in the description. Well, I'm doing mixed spice, which is very similar to pumpkin spice. But you know, it's a Christmas dish. Give it a beat, we're making a custard. Make sure your oven's on, about 175. Custard mix in there. Mix up. We want all that bread absorbing all that custard mix. So just give it a little stir around. Leave it about 10 minutes to soak it all up. Take the dish that you're going to use and butter it out. Up the sides, in the bottom. And then that is prepped, ready to go. Okay, 10 minutes, that'll do. Tray, and what you're going to dump it in. This is about 13 by 9. It's about a 13 by 9, but I'm not sure, and I'm not measuring it. But that's what it looks like. Okay, in there, our bread pudding mix. Fantabulistic. Oh, look at all that. Now you don't have to squash it down for bread pudding, just layer it out. If If you want to squash it down, all the custard is not going to be cooked through and it's going to be burnt on the top. So just nice and steady, it'll find its own way. How fabulous does that look? Melted butter on there. Won't be a bread pudding without butter. Oh, come on. That looks absolutely sensational. I'll stick it in the oven and it's going in for about 40-45 minutes. Nice and steady. We're going to pull it out 10 minutes before the end and we're going to dust over some sugar. Put it back in. Get it in. Okay, when you've got 10 minutes to go, pull it out. We want that little sugar coating on the top. So just take some sugar. You can use Demerara sugar, anything. I'm using granulated because I have it here. I want a nice sugary top, which is going to give us a nice sugary crunch on there. Now obviously as much or as little as you want, and if you don't want to put it on, don't. But we are making a pudding. Back in the oven. We are out. Just look at that lovely crusty little top on there, set up beautifully. Look, a bit spongy, lovely. Cranberries have puffed up. It smells absolutely really off the charts. It is wonderful. Just let it cool a little minute and we'll serve some up. Come on, I think we need to be getting in here. Straight down that crunchy top with a knife. And divide it up to what you think. I think something like that. Run the knife around there just in case, but I don't think it's going to be stuck with the butter. Get some out of there. In we go. Oh, looky there. Oh, look there. Oh, that is superb. That really is superb. Look at that. On there, custard. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Look at that cranberry bread pudding. That is a fantastic holiday dessert. Oh, beautiful. Come on. Crusty top. A little bit of caramelized sugar on there. Soft, custardy pudding. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. 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 Yes. Yes, please. Oh, in there. Oh, you've got that slight sour kick with from the cranberries, with the sweetness of our pudding. Oh. That is absolutely stunning. That is a stunning, stunning dessert. You've got that slight sour sweet kick from the cranberries. You've got the sweetness of our bread pudding. You've got the custard. You've got the crunchy top, soft inside, creamy, delicious. Wow. and you've got a bit of a chew on the top. It is sensational. That is a fantastic, fantastic dessert. Really, really, truly fantastic dessert. Wow. If you like what we're doing, don't forget share. Share with your friends, share all over. Tell them how easy it is to make cranberry bread pudding. Probably not seen it before either. And if you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Ding, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video. That is marvelous. Oh man.